Alright guys, so we got an XP1000 that Sage has converted for a person that is disabled, and this is all hand control, so tell us about them.
So starting from way under the frame here to the bar that comes out, which is this, which connects to our grip, which has a rod on it to a gas pedal, and then it has another rod on it for a brake. So if we twist our knob, we give it gas. And if we push, we give it brake. So we got brake and gas.
Oh wow.
And we got our little suicide knob up here too, with the little grip guards, so you know.
Very, very cool. That is cool. Now, was this a Polaris kit or was
No, I think it's like SureGrip is what it's called.
Okay, so it's an aftermarket kit you can get.
It's aftermarket.
Oh, this is the one we ordered for that kit.
Very, very cool.
Does it work?
It does.
Right.
And we got Matt over here, Air Force veteran. You're a good man.
So on the Polaris, you have to touch the brake to start. Well, if you're disabled and you can't press the brake, you push on the handle and turn the key.
Gotcha. Oh wow. Push forward for brake, down for
push forward for brake and pull, Billy. Pull for your gas.
Got it.
Not a side-by-side driving around.
Not just slick. Here's your actuation.
Oh, almost up.
Very cool.
I've still got to finish putting it together, but it kind of just adjusts it to you. So if you have to make a tight turn, you can look. Oh, okay.
Yeah, really, that's a great design.
Pull what?
I don't think Tom's gonna know what he's doing. Don't wreck it, Tom. It doesn't have wagon coach wheels. Those aren't wagon coach wheels. Get him out of there. Hey, Dave. Okay, Sage, so how can you adjust this?
So this, you can right hit Tom in the face.
What's up, Tom?
You can put it kind of anywhere you want it, and then on here you can
adjust for width.
You can adjust how wide your wrist is and how far in your hand grip is. So
Gotcha.
you can adjust width of this, and I set it up for myself because I was the one driving it around. But obviously, when the customer comes in,
Yeah, you'll fine tune it for him.
we'll fine tune.
What about, is there adjustment on the brake and the accelerator handle, or no?
A little, but
Or is that kind of
we can kind of adjust where this is based off of the rod that's in there.
Oh, okay. And
But
you
then
can,
when we do that, we have to adjust the brake and the gas rods accordingly.
Gotcha. Yeah, that is really cool, though. Really cool design. Huh. Yeah, very nice.